If you have just changed your brakes on your VW, Audi, Seat or Skoda and your brake warning light is permanently illuminated, you will have most likely broken the multi-plug on the harness at the wiring on the brake pad. Located at the front right hand wheel, or the wires have corroded and broken like so. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the multi-plug without replacing all the wiring harness, which will result in a permanent fix. So the replacement part is available on eBay, very inexpensive and comes pre-wired, unlike the one I've used from the dealers. Check out this link to get yours. So first up, cut the wiring off as close to the multi-plug as possible, then using some WD-40 to help push the bushing back so that we can get access to the wires to terminate them. To reduce the size of the repair, I've used one of these terminals, broken it down and used the end to crimp the wires together. You could solder these and use heatsink, this will keep a better connection. So with the heatsink on, just lightly warm it up with a little burner or a lighter or something, and this will make a really good joint that will not let any water or dirt or ingress into the terminal. And then the final heatsink on the remaining wires, and then the dust cover back on in place. If, like me, you're using the original part from the dealers, there is a locking mechanism on this terminal. So once the wires have clicked into the terminal, you will need to lock this mechanism by using a small screwdriver or a pick tool, and it just pushes up and then locks into place. And all that remains to do now is to click the housing back into its original place and then make sure that the light has gone off on the dashboard. And you can certainly see it's fixed. So to conclude, not the best looking repair, but it beats replacing the complete wiring loom, which is a very expensive repair. This is a very common problem on the VAG vehicles. So I hope this has helped solve your issues with your brake warning light, and you can find all the parts and all the tools that I used on our website at howtofixit.co.uk, or follow this link here. And if you want to see some more great VAG videos, why not check out some of these, and we'll see you over there when you click.